hair? Is all this hair care mumbo jumbo really worth it? Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today alright, before you think I'm crazy, let me tell you how this video idea came about. So here I was, boom, I'm in my room trying to think of what video I want to film for you guys next, and I was just thinking, why not I really do some foolishness on my channel, you know, just have some fun. And I kid you not, just when I was thinking that to myself, I saw this video come up in my YouTube recommendations. Google is reading our minds. Or it could be because my niece was using my YouTube account. Nah, Google reading our minds. So for today, we're gonna follow along with Nick Jr.'s hair tutorial on how to create a cupcake updo. Cause that's definitely something we may need one day in our life.
How would you like your hair to look like a sweet treat? Yeah! Awesome!
Yeah!
Grab the tablet to check out the things you'll need for a cupcake updo. A hairbrush, comb.
Wait, let me go over the checklist.
A hairbrush, comb, hair elastics.
But I'm really not going to use these hair elastics because I'm not going to use hair elastics to hold my hair. So, scrunchie.
Hairpins, cupcake wrappers, red pom-poms,
The red ones in here.
and pink color hairspray. This is gonna be so cool! Brush your hair until there are no tangles.
Okay, those instructions are cute and all, but the first thing we're gonna do is protect our ends. Because as you can see, I already did the center parting. So we have our scrunchie and we're gonna put a little gel on the hair. Because even though I am clearly not going to actually step outside of my house with this hairstyle, I'm not judging you if you do. I still want the hairstyle look a little neat, so we're gonna add a little gel to the hair before we brush it up. Yeah, that's on top of there, okay. And our ends are nice and protected, so just wrap the scrunchie around. Okay!
Do the same thing to the other side.
It can work.
Take the cupcake wrapper and make a hole in the bottom.
I think my hair is gonna need a little reinforcement, so I'm using 2 cups in 1. I can get my hole looking better. Yay!
Starting at the top, twist the ponytail and work your way down. Then take the cupcake wrapper, thread it through the bottom, and slide it up until it's flat against your head.
Just a little more. Don't tear, please don't tear. Oh my lord. I don't think he can go any further. Oh God. Don't tear, please don't tear. it. Listen, I don't think my own needs to secure any more than it already is by friction. So let's move on.
Now coil your hair round and round until all of the hair is fully tucked inside.
Looks easy enough. Let's be practical and let's coil the hair in 2 separate parts. Alright. Coil 1 half.
It's starting to look like a cupcake.
I tried to get all my hair tucked inside, but this is as far as it would go. It just means my cupcake have more icing than her cupcake. And we all love more icing, right? Let's do the other side. Why the struggle? Why? Oh, let's twist it nice and tight. Condense this as much as possible. Nice and slow. It made it, it made it, it made it, it made it. I'm happy with this. They look like cupcakes. I see cupcakes. Okay, let's start decorating the cupcakes.
Use the pink color spray to make the frosting.
High Beam Intense Temporary Spray on Hair Color in Popstar Pink. I really hope this can rinse out right away. It's a temporary, but for how long? Yeah, it's a Beam Intense washes away easily with just 1 shampooing, so we're good. Alright, I've never used it before. Let's hope it's not a hot mess. And alright, let's see. I'm gonna try and protect the muffin liner as well. I'm just gonna use the paper to kind of protect my face. Oh! Oh, you see it? Oh yes, it's sprayed! Okay. Woo! That smell! Lord! Let me open up some windows. Wait! Oh Lord. Alright. Let's just get the other side done. For science! Ta-da! I don't want my cupcake to only have pink icing. Like, that's a boring cupcake, okay? Let's add some more colors before we add our cherry on top. So I have some of my hair paint wax right here, and of course I'm just trying to find any reason to actually use up these things. So, why not use it to make some frosting? Some blue frosting. Green frosting. That looks like a very delicious cupcake, if I do say so myself. Next color, purple. Perfect icing. Why not? Pretty cupcake! You see my cupcake? You see my cupcake? Wait, let me add my cherry on top. If you don't see it, you do see it. Wait. If If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro. It's a cupcake! It's two cupcakes! Listen to me. I'm a real grown adult. I pay bills, I do laundry, I go grocery shopping. And I also enjoy putting cupcakes in my hair. You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do my edges, cause you know what? I'm gonna treat this hairstyle with some respect. Okay? Why shouldn't I do my edges? I'm gonna finish up this hairstyle. You know what? I blame my mom for all of this. Yeah. She didn't allow me to play my hair when I was little, so these are repressed childhood desires. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and had as much fun as I did. Okay? I know most of y'all might not try this tutorial, but I hope at least you had some fun and some giggles just watching this video. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, well, I understand. You probably can't really take me too seriously with two cupcakes sitting on my head right now. However, hear me out. I'll have some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and see more useful content. And then, after like the second or the third video, you should realize by then that you actually like my content and it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah.